Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show you the rubber Eyecup that we sell at Bolex Repair Philippines that fits the H-16 and also the P1, P2, and 3 models. You can check out Bolex Repair Philippines FB page up top here for availability. So, to attach it, inside it has around the inside perimeter it has a incision basically. And once you've removed your old one, you just fit it right over the top of this piece here, of course. And it goes on relatively smoothly. And that's it. This fits the P1, 2, and P3 models. It is not a totally snug fit, but it does work. See me tugging on it right there. And for the money, it works out quite well. If you pull it really hard, you can pull it straight off. But I'm not so sure who's going to be doing something like that. For me, it works very well as a replacement. So far we have them to offer on Bolex Repair Philippines. These Eyecups are very inexpensively. We hope we continue to do that, but it's nowhere near $30 plus. Alright, so I hope this helps you out. Do click that bell and subscribe. Paul Morbid and Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Until next time, see ya!